I've been like, भाई मेरे को मत बना, मैंने बहुत जितनी बार तुमने यहाँ पे बैग नहीं उठाएंगे. The time I entered the Terminal 2 of India, people tried to make presentation of the food is very nice. So hi guys, we are back to India. आ चुके हैं दिल्ली के इंदिरा गांधी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे पे. Let's go. Oh, hello guys. I just came to my brother's house. Varun Bhaiya, that's Bantu Bhaiya. So Bantu Bhaiya. He's Bantu Bhaiya. You might know him from the
हर ब्लॉग में रहा हूँ, इंडिया के हर ब्लॉग में तो मोस्टली रहा हूँ. इट्स फाइन. लाइक आया तो मम्मी मजा आया. लाइक एक साल बाद हम मिल रहे हैं. गुड़गांव में हम लोग थे. हमने बहुत मजे किए. फाइनली नाउ हम दिल्ली शिफ्ट हो गए हैं. तो ओमी भी आया है एंड ही इज गोइंग टू गो होम बट ही विल बी बैक सून. एंड उसके बाद दिल्ली का ब्लॉग बनाएंगे. हम चलेंगे दिल्ली घूमने. इस बार दिल्ली का ब्लॉग बनेगा.
See, Gurgaon have been like a very nice place, very good place for parties and food. It's like I've got so many people from UK as well.
Okay.
And actually this guy has been speaking Hindi, but if you want to speak in English, you can speak in English. You want
No,
to?
I don't want to. Reason because like why I want to. Like I am. Point is, we have basically with high.
हो अंडरवर्ल्ड में जिक्र आया राह के नाम का.
अब भी हम लोग हैं दिल्ली वाले मोड़ में. और यहाँ पे जाट बैठा है, यहाँ पे मैं बैठा हूँ. तो पॉइंट ये है कि यहाँ पे बोलेगी हरियाणवी. ते हेड भाई की हाल चाल है.
ये पूर्वज हमारे भी हरियाणा से ही थे.
हरियाणा में तेरे पूर्वज.
ये अपना गुरुग्राम एरोसिटी से.
और भाई के ढंग
भाई
से.
मैं नहीं हूँ हरियाणवी.
भाई के ढंग
मैं
से.
यूपी से बिलोंग करता हूँ बेसिकली. सो इट्स फाइन. ओमी आपको ज्यादा बेटर बता पाएगा. पार्टे मारने नहीं आते मुझे.
भाई ने मैं
पार्टे देने आते मुझे.
भाई
ठाडी वार्निंग आ गई मने जाट खाप पे जाना पड़ेगा यूएस से छोरी कांद काप के. जाना पड़ेगा यूएस से छोरी कांद काप के.
भैया ओमी आया भाई. बहुत खुशी हो रही है. इट्स फाइन. मैं लिटरली दिल्ली तक आया थी कि बंदा रुके हम पार्टी करें हम घूमने जाए. बट इट्स फाइन. उसको घर जाना है अभी. वो प्रायोरिटी है. उसके बाद वो आ रहा है जल्दी आ रहा है दिल्ली आ रहा है. एंड हम दिल्ली की क्या करेंगे.
सैर मारेंगे दिल्ली की.
ये शायद सुनते नहीं है.
तो देखो भाई.
स्टे ट्यून्ड. जल्दी आने वाला है. हम
देखो भाई. So hello everyone, I'm just standing in front of my coach. This is 14014 Mussoorie Express, bound from Delhi to Dehradun. So I'm just gonna get off at Haridwar Junction. We're gonna arrive at Haridwar at 5:50 a.m. in the morning. So today I'm traveling in H1 coach of Mussoorie Express. Just due to floods in Delhi, the train is diverted through New Delhi and it's not going through Ghaziabad, either from Safadarganj. I'm feeling really excited to travel back on the Indian Railways, especially if I compare this with GWR, the Great Western Railways of Wales, because that's not very comfortable. That's my personal experience if you are traveling from Swansea to London. But this is going to be the same journey for 5 hours from New Delhi to Haridwar, either to Dehradun, but it's the very comfortable service. Like these are the old coaches and the old coaches are always comfortable, I would have to say. And as I have said this before in my videos, like the ICF livery is always the original gangster. So guys, this is AC first class, Delhi Dehradun Mussoorie Express. And I've got my seat in first AC. This is the first class. This is NR for Northern Railway. and this is something which looks so. This looks so classy. This is the old style of Indian Railways. And see, what I missed in United Kingdom is this. Because like we won't get the open gangway in GWR. See, I've been a great fan of Indian Railways before, not just because of its dirty toilet, but just because of some stuff that me as a rail fan like in it. As you can see, the gangway. I'm just gonna show you the. Oh, this toilet is occupied, so I'm just gonna show you. See, the tray is clean. The mirror is not actually, but the overall cleanliness is okay. Not too good, but not too bad as well. Oh, goodbye. Let's go inside the coach. This is my cabin A. Let's see. Another one. See, those are the other cabins. This is the AC first class cabin, and this is the first class configuration in Indian Railways. And the best thing about the Indian Railways is, not the best thing, but I would have to say, I really like these coaches. These are the real original gangsters of Indian Railways. Like before the LHB came in, these were the only ones which used to be in the service. I really like the design of the gate and the sound it makes, because like it have got the another bogies. It's known as ICF. See, this is the seat given for attendants, like who's been taken care of the whole coach. I think these are the supplies for the bed sheets. As you can see, there's a brown packet. It's gonna be served after the train departs. So this is the gate, and you open the gate manually here, like this. So here we have the gate, and it won't have the automatic system like the trains in UK, but I think I like this one. I don't know how many of you are gonna judge me. If you judge me, I don't really care. So I think having this view just leaning outside the coach is something I really want as a passenger in India. So guys, I was just entering the Old Delhi railway station. One of the guy we call as coolie, or the people who actually carry your luggage from outside the platform till your coach, he just asked me, do you want me to help you? I was just like, okay, that's fine. I'm 23, I'm okay. Thankfully, I can carry all my luggage. I'm not that weak. And another thing is, like Old Delhi has got 2 entrances. He was trying to tell me that Old Delhi has got only 1 entrance, and that's the one with stairs. Of course, I have 26 kgs in both of my suitcases, and I don't think so I might be able to carry it for a very long time, though I did. Thankfully, touch wood, I had energy. But the thing is, I've been like, भाई मेरे को मत बना, मैंने बहुत जितनी बार तूने यहाँ पे बैग नहीं उठाएंगे उससे ज़्यादा मैं यहाँ पे ट्रैवल कर चुका हूँ गाड़ियों पे. See, the time I entered India, the time I entered the Terminal 2 of India, people tried to make money from me. People tried to give the unnecessary service, which I am capable of doing, but they be like, I know, that's fine, they are also not wrong, the things are not going so right in this country. So I think so, that's the reason. But never mind, let's see. We have the departure at 10:25, but I will surely show you where we're gonna halt till the time I'm feeling fine. Looks like it's been too tiring for me. I've been traveling since 2 days, like 48 hours. So I think I have to hop back onto the train, and if we go through New Delhi, and I think we are not going through Shadra, we are not going through Ghaziabad, I think I should hop back to the train, and I'll just talk to you later. Guys, I can't tell you how much I've missed it, specifically these ICF coaches of Indian Railways. Like, railways has been my love till the time I stayed in India. And see, the first train journey I'm doing is my Mussoorie Express after 1 year, and especially in the ICF coaches. This is going to be the AC first class, Pratham Vatanukulit, sorry. The coach is H1, and let's see how the journey is gonna be. We are here in Jwalapur. Jwalapur is also a station of Haridwar. The Haridwar junction, main junction, is 5 minutes away from here. So my house is close from here, so I'm just gonna get off from the train. I'm just gonna depot the train here. So this is gonna be till now. I'll just see you in the next vlog. Till the time, make sure and like my videos and subscribe to my channel. And I'll come up with a new vlog. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.